The Chapter 11 benefits are one is if you're a corporate entity, it gives you the opportunity to restructure financial affairs. And unlike the other chapters, which in a Chapter 7 and a 13, a trustee gets appointed and basically they run the financial affairs. Everything is run by the trustee. On a Chapter 11, the person, the managers, the corporate representatives of the entity, they get to manage the reaffirmation efforts. So the person that drove the business into bankruptcy or the people that pulled the business out of bankruptcy, they're what they call the debtor in possession. So one is it gives you the flexibility to be able to stay, involved in the business operation and the business and restructuring efforts. And again, it keeps the business in business, keeps it operating. It does not liquidate it.